Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, screen record. Just tap on it once and record will start. Here you have this recording menu. There are two buttons. You have pause button, which just pauses your video, and you also have this stop button, which stops recording of your screen. Let's tap on it and stop recording our video. And you can find your recording in gallery, in screen recording album. Here it is, our video. It has no sound. And from here you can edit, share or delete this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.